Why do pigeons love hidden corners like this? A million thanks to you, Sir Matthew and Brother Harry. What will happen to your roof and eaves if pigeons invaded your corner eaves and roof? Acidic pigeon droppings can slowly damage metal, paint, soffit, and siding. Nests can clog eavesdrops and cause water overflow. Moisture build-up may lead to wood rot and costly repairs. Pigeons can attract mites, insects, bacteria, and strong odors. The longer they stay, the harder and more expensive the cleanup becomes. Call RSC Cleaning Inc. now. 306-535-4450. We love to remove pigeon droppings, sanitize affected areas, and help protect your property. Pigeon droppings and hidden soil safely remove before bigger damage begins. Pigeon lost their hiding spots today. Bird spikes installed to help protect the eaves, roof, and gutters before costly damage begins. No more free rent for pigeons. Bird spikes now guarding the roof line and hidden corners from future nesting and droppings. Ten reasons why you should stop pigeons from nesting on your roof and eaves before costly damage begins. Number 1 reason, act now before pigeon droppings start eating away your roof, eaves, and gutters. Number 2, prevent nesting today to avoid thousands in future roof and siding repairs. 3. Pigeons don't just stay. They multiply fast and turn small spots into biohazard zones. Number 4. Bird spikes today. Less mess, less odor, less stress tomorrow. 5. Protect your family and tenants from harmful airborne pigeons droppings and bacteria. 6. Stop clogged gutters before water starts leaking into your roof and walls. 7. Prevent pigeons from turning your beautiful home into their permanent bathroom. 8. Early prevention helps avoid stains, corrosion, and expensive exterior restoration. 9. No nesting means fewer bugs, mites, feathers, and hidden contamination around your eaves. Number 10. Act now before just a few pigeons becomes a full invasion around your roofline. Can you kindly like, share, and follow us? Big thanks in advance, and thanks for watching!